My name is Roblox. I am the CEO of Techie Factory, and I approve this message in support of Roblox Design Camp. Roblox's opponent, Ricky Dove, wants to tax everything you have, so that you can't even afford to send your kids to the super affordable Roblox Design Camp November 8th at Techie Factory while you're out voting and working hard. Your kiddos very much want jobs, and Roblox knows and works hard to help them find good paying employment. And when he's not doing that, he's out helping feed the homeless. Ricky Dove, his uncle, and his dove are out playing golf most of the time, while Roblox spends time with our local law enforcement. Mr. Dove, he's using taxpayer money. He bought a yacht, and he didn't even put in a handicap ramp for his uncle. Ricky Dove supports higher taxes, opposes helping the homeless and their furry pets, and voted against keeping kids safe online. Roblox wants to lower your taxes and get your kids good paying jobs, help them learn to create games in Roblox they can publish and monetize, and he supports critical Roblox theory. Roblox is a family man you can trust. Paid for by the Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, Mathematics Non-Profit Association, not affiliated with the Science, Technology, Engineering, Math Association, located down the street in Big Blue Building next to the Applebee.